वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार and welcome to 226th class today, 26th November 2014. Now, as you know, we've been studying Srinivas Atmanepadi Dhatavah. So verbs in the second set Atmanepada, and a number of so this completes, as I have already told you, this completes the study of the verbs and their declension, dhatus and their declension, because we have studied for a long time Parasmaipada. Now Atmanepada is introduced in all the 5 tenses basically to begin with, although there are 10 tenses which will come across in the future lessons. 5 basic tenses for the beginners are Lat, the present tense; Lang, the past tense; Lot, the imperative; Rut, the future; Vidhiling is the potential mood. These are the basics. So we have to learn all the Atmanepada dhatus in 5 lakaras, 5 tenses. Lakara stands for tense. Lakara is a term given by Panini, like he gives Lat Vartamane, Lang Bhute, Lot Vidyashishau, like late Vede, late there is one. All the terms begin with Lakara. Lat, Lang, Lot, Rut, Vidhiling, late, etc. So this is a wonderful coinage done by Panini. And it is explained. Lat means Vartamana Kala. And even this is derivable. Lat, that word is derivable. Lataha means of present tense. Lati in the present tense. Lati, if you say, that is Saptami Ekavachana. Not simply Lat, but it is derived in all the 7 vibhaktis. Any Lakara. So Lakara stands for tense, present tense, past tense, like that. So we are now doing imperative mode in the Lakara. So okay, Srinivas Abhyasa. Before that, I think show them the answers for 155 Abhyasa. Please see them. These are the answers. So in 155, you are asked to write derive the suitable verbs in the appropriate given in the bracket in the Lot Lakara, because Lot is just introduced in the previous class. Tvam uchchaihi ma bhashasva, like that. Tvam katichana dinani kastam sahasva. So we have not written the full sentence since it is there in the book. So sahasva. Yeshaha samskrutam gnatva modatam. Yuyam parikshayam savalatam labadhvam. Vayam sarvasya hitameva kamayamahai. Bhavantah eva asya karanam uhantam. Bhavati bhagavantam sevatam. Vatsau yuvam ma khidye tham. Aham nirantaram vardhai. Putraha mataram sevantam. Vayam anudinam edha mahai. So these are the things which I have already, meanings I have already explained. So we go over to the next page and next abhyasa on page 379, Srinivas. Yathodaharanam etesham kriyapadanam lakara parivartanam. Now you have to change the tense here. Lakara parivartanam means tense change in the tense. Please do that. So example is done here. Lat lakara to lot lakara. So you are turning a sentence from present tense to the imperative mood. Lot lakara. Imperative. For example, Nagarajaha uhati. Nagarajaha uhatam. Nagarajaha uhati means Nagaraja is guessing. Mr. Nagaraj is guessing, and let Nagaraj guess. So the sense of the sentence changes when it goes to lot lakara. Nagarajaha uhatam. means let him guess. Nagarajaha uhate. Nagaraja is guessing. So like that you do 15 sentences are here. Let us try. 1. Tvam modase.
Tvam modasva.
For the derivation, you have to basically learn this vanda as a model verb in lot lakara. Vandatam, vandetam, vandantam, vandasva, vandetham, vandadhvam, vandai, vandavahai, vandamahai. That should be remembered. So what is it? Tvam modase becomes tvam modasva. Yes. Balikaha lajjante.
Balikaha
Lajjantam. Balikaha lajjantam. Right. 3. Tvam shobhase.
Tvam shobhasva.
Tvam shobhasva. So swa comes in second person singular. 4th. Aham edhe.
Aham edhai.
Aham edhai. Very little change here. Aham edhe. I grow. Aham edhai. Let me grow. Let me grow. Sense change is that. Okay, I have not translated this meanings. Tvam modase. Done. Balikaha lajjante means girls feel shy. Balikaha lajjantam means let the girls feel shy. Tvam shobhase. You look good, splendid, you shine. Tvam shobhasva. May you shine. Aham edhe. I grow. Aham edhai. Let me grow. That is 5th. Vayam modamahe.
Vayam modamahai.
Mahai. So Vayam modamahe means we enjoy. We are enjoying. Vayam modamahai means let us all enjoy. That is the change in the meaning. From present to imperative mode. Lat to lot. Vayam modamahe means we are enjoying. Vayam modamahai. If you say let us all enjoy. 6. Chandraha shobhate. Which one?
Shobhate.
Yeah. Any te is Atmanepada. Shubha Shobha is Atmanepada. All are Atmanepada. Which is Parasmanepada here? Uhate, Modase, Lajjante, Shobhase, Edhe. All are A. Atmanepada. Chandraha shobhate.
Chandraha
Shobhatam. Chandraha shobhatam. Let the moon shine. Moon is shining, let the moon shine. 7. Janaha sevante.
Janaha sevantam.
So people are serving. Janaha sevante, people are serving. Janaha sevantam, let the people serve. 8. Bhitaha palayate. Bhitaha vairi palayate. Bhitaha vairi palayatam. So bhitaha vairi means frightened enemy. Palayate is running away. The first present tense meaning is the frightened enemy is running away. Bhitaha vairi palayate. That is converted now. Bhitaha vairi palayatam. Let the frightened enemy run away. Let the frightened enemy run away. 9. Yuvam uhethe. You both are guessing. This present tense meaning is you both, Yuvam uhethe, are guessing. Yuvam uhetham. Uhetham. You both. May you both, let you both guess. The meaning is you both guess. 10. Aham ikshe. I am watching. I watch. Aham ikshe. Aham ikshai. Let me watch. May I watch. It can also be may I watch or let me watch. Aham ikshe. Aham ikshai. 11. Tvam bhashase. You are speaking. You speak when I say in imperative sense. Tvam bhashasva. Tvam bhashasva. You speak. May you speak. 12. Vedana jayate. Pain is born. Vedana jayate. Let the pain be born.
Vedana jayatam.
Jayatam. May the pain be born. Let the pain be born. Vedana jayatam. Avam kampavahai. Vahe. Yes. Avam kampavahe. We both are shaking. We both shake. Avam kampavahai. May we both shake. Maybe nobody wishes for that, but sentence is like that. May we both shake. Let us both shake otherwise. 14. Taha alokante. They are watching. They means here the ladies here, female. Taha mahilaha alokante. Taha alokantam. Taha alokan. Let them watch. Let those watch. Te suyante. Te suyante. Sahataute. This is pullinga. Su dhatu to produce. Su. Srusti. Srujana words come from the. So they produce. Te suyante. Te suyantam. Let them produce. Te suyante means they produce. Te suyantam, let them produce. So this is these are the meanings, and this is the turning of present tense lat. Lataha loti parivartanam. Lataha vakyasya. Lataha vakyat loti parivartanam. Changing to imperative mode from lat, present tense. So Srinivas, shall we do or write? You can do. Very simple changing. Tvam modasva. Please, these are the answers. Tvam modasva. Second, lajjantam. Balikaha lajjantam. For the answers, I think it is better, Srinivas. One word only, na? It won't take much time. You tell me. I'll write off. This is point what? Oh, fresh exercise. Abhyasa. No, this is not. 156. No. Roman? One only, okay.
Modasva.
Oh, so that we will not write here. Modasva.
Balikaha lajjantam.
Yeah, 3.
Shobhasva.
4.
Aham yedhata. Aham
Edhai. Edhai.
yedhai.
Yes. 5.
Vayam modamahai. Chandraha shobhatam. 7. Janaha sevantam. 8. Bhitaha vaigi
Palayat. 9.
Yuvam uhetam.
10.
Aham ikshai. 9. Tvam bhashasva. 12.
4. 12.
Vedana jayatam.
13.
Avam kampavahai. 14. Taha alokantam. 15 and last one, sir. Te suyantam.
So for those who do not have books will have problem. So better we write Modamahi. Okay. So rapidly we can read now. Tvam modasva balikaha lajjantam tvam shobhasva aham yedhai vayam modamahi chandraha shobhatam janaha sevantam bhitaha vairi palayatam yuvam uhetham aham ikshai tvam bhashasva vedana jayatam avam kampavahai taha alokantam te suyantam. So we will go to a story here, Srinivas. Lot lakare prayoga. There where we are going to see for ourselves the verbs of imperative mode being used and given in bold numbers. It's a small one. Can read.
Yeah. Rushayo mantra dan
Drastaraha. Okay, the caption is Rushayo mantra drastaraha. Mantra drastaraha rushayaha iti. So rushayaha means Rushi Shabda, Ikaranta Pullinga. Rushihi, Rushi, Rushayaha. Mantra drasta. Like this is also Bhratru Shabda, like Rukaranta. Mantra drasta, drastaro, drastaraha. Rushayaha, mantra drastaraha. Rushis are people who have visualized the mantras. They are not the mantra kartaraha. Rushayaha na kartaraha mantra, parantu mantra drastaraha. The rishis are the people who have visualized the mantras. A mantra is a secret of nature which is been visualized, seen by a rishi. Therefore they are the seers. We call them in English seer. Rishihi, seer. He is not the doer. He is not the doer of the mantra. He is the seer of the mantra. So here we go. Srinivas, you can read.
Loka Kalyana Prasange Rishina Bhumika Ullekha Yogya Vartate Vaidika Mantreshu Tesham Upadeshaha Loka Kalyana Bhavanascha Sankalpitaha Vartante
Sankalitaha
Vartante Techa Rushayaha Mantran Pranitavantaha Iti Na Manyantam वस्तुतः ते मंत्रान् दृष्टवन्तः अत एव ऋषयो मंत्र
द्रष्टारः इति
काचित् सूक्तिः
प्रसिद्धि अस्ति. There is a sandhi made. Prasidhyasti dhya. Dhi prasiddhi plus asti. When you break it, prasiddhi plus asti.
This was sakana. Prasidhyati.
Prasidhyati is there. Okay, then sukti is there. Okay, right. I was imagining it. Prasidhyati. Prasidhyati means the sukti is come to stay like this. Okay, let us go to Loka Kalyana Prasange. In the event of, in the case of when we talk of Loka Kalyana means welfare of the society. Loka Kalyana Prasange. When we talk of, in the case of the social justice, social welfare, Rishinam Bhumika, the role, the place of the sages. Rishinam Bhumika means the place occupied by the rishis or the role played by the rishis. Ullekha Yogya Vartate is mentionable. When we talk of social welfare things, the role or the place occupied by the rishis is highly mentionable. Ullekha Yogya Vartate. Bhumika means their place. Vaidika Mantreshu, in the mantras of the Vedas, relating to Vedas, Tesham Upadeshaha, their Upadeshas. The Upadesha means instructions of the Rishis, Rishinam Upadeshaha, Loka Kalyana Bhavanascha, and also the Bhavana means the feelings, the expressions about the welfare of the society, Loka Kalyana Bhavanaha, This is the sandhi. Loka kalyana bhavanaah cha. Simple visarga sandhi. Loka kalyana bhavanascha sankalitaah vartanti. So in the Vedic mantras, their upadeshas, the upadeshas of the sages, and also mantreshu tesham mantranam also mantras upadeshaha loka kalyana bhavanascha sankalitaah vartante. What are there in the Vedic mantras? There are upadesha like don't play gamble in the Rigveda. We have Dyuta Krida mentioned there. What happens if a person takes to gambling? How he will be rejected by his own family members, by his own wife and children. So we have one episode there. So that is one upadesha. And Loka Kalyana Bhavana, there are so many other things which are good for the society. They are mentioned. Sankalitaha means are put together. They are Sankalita means collected. We have a collection of these upadeshas and feelings of welfare suggestions, you can say. Now, up till that we have not come across lot lakara. Te cha rushayaha, and those rishis. Te cha rushayaha, and those rishis mantran pranetavantaha iti na manyantam. So please do not think te rushayaha vedeshu ye rushayaha vayam yan rushin vayam pashyamaha vedeshu na te sarve epi rushayaha na te sarve rushayaha mantran na pranitavantaha na krutavantaha. Pranitavantaha naam na krutavantaha. Rushayaha mantran na pranitavantaha iti na manyantam. Please do not consider these rishis to have composed, written the mantras. Mantran pranitavantaha iti na manyantam. Now here is the lot prayoga. Manyatam, manyetam, manyantam. Vastutaha avyaya, in reality, te mantran drustavantaha, te rushayaha. Te means here those. Te rushayaha. Vastutaha te rushayaha mantran drustavantaha. As I told you, they have visualized, seen the mantras. Ataeva, therefore, avyaya, rushayo mantra dastaraha iti. So there is a saying, this sukti has come to stay. Rushayaha mantra drastaraha, natu kartaraha. It is not there, kartaraha iti. Rushayo mantra drastaraha iti kachit suktihi prasiddhyati. That is how one sukti has come to be known, prasiddhyati. So here manyantam is the imperative lot lakarasya prathama purusha bahuvachana rupam. Manyatam, manyetam, manyantam. So what is the subject here? People. Bhavantaha, all of you, please consider that they are not the composers of the mantras. Next verse.
Vedeshu Upanishatsu
Puraneshu cha
Rushayaha
Sarvam
Manava Jatim Upadishanti. Ho Manavaha Sampurna Dhara Asmakam Kutumbaha iti Udatta Bhavana Yushmasu Jayatam. Sarve Kalyanam Shreyascha Labhantam. Bhavatsu Daiva Gunaha Vardhantam. Sadbhavanaha Samedhantam. Durbhavanaha Shriyantam.
Okay. Vedeshu Upanishatsu Puraneshu. What is the vibhakti running here, Srinivas? Saptami Bhagavachana. Shu. Vedeshu Upanishatsu. This is also Saptami. Strilinga. Upanishad Shabda is Strilinga. Veda Shabda is Pullinga. Remember. Purana is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Puranam Purane Puranani. Ashtadasha Puranani. Vyasasya. So, three lingas are there. See, Veda Shabda is Pullinga. Upanishad Shabda is Strilinga. And Purana Shabda is Napumsakalinga. But Purana Shabda and Veda Shabda endings are same because Pum Napumsaka. This being Strilinga, you get Su. So Vedeshu, Vede Vedayoho Vedeshu, Upanishadi Upanishadoho Upanishatsu, Purane Puranayoho Puraneshu, Rushayaha Sarvam Manava Jatim Upadishanti. In these three, you can say the areas, books, in the Vedas, in the Upanishads, in the Puranas, the sages, Rishis, have they Manava Jatim Upadishanti. They are in these three things. They are advocating what is giving, what do you call Upadesha, instructing the humanity. In these three, the sages are instructing the humanity, Manava Jatim, like this. Bho Manavaha, oh people, Sampurna Dhara, Sampurna Pruthivi, Dharti, Dharini, Dhara means Dharti. And the earth, the entire earth, Asmakam Kutumbaha. So this is the message coming from the sages. What are the sages? Rushaya Kimiti Upadishanti, Bho Manavaha, Sampurna Bhumihi Dhara, Asmakam Kutumbaha iti. The entire earth is our family. Like we have that sloka, we studied. Ayam nijaha paroveti ganana laguchetasam. This is also there in the, I have told you, in the Lok Sabha. We were above the speaker's seat. Ayam nijaha, this is my man. Ayam nijaha paraha, ayam paraha, this is another man. Iti ganana, this kind of consideration, laguchetasam. This is the thinking of the petty-minded fellows. Udara charitanam, noble-minded, large-hearted people. Vasudhaiva kutumbakam, the same idea here. So asmakam samasta sampurna dhara asmakam kutumba haiti udatta bhavana, this noble thought, udatta bhavana yushmasu jayatam. Let this noble thought be born in you all people, that this entire earth is our family. So what is jayatam, Srinivas? Here lot in Atmanepada. Jayate is present tense. In lot, jayatam, jayetam, jayantam. So let this udatta bhavana, esha udatta bhavana, yushmasu, sarveshu, in you all, jayatam. Kidrushi bhavana, samasta, dhara, pruthivi, kutumbaha iti, asmakam kutumbaha iti. Asmakam kutumbaha iti bhavana sarvasu jayatam yushmasu. Sarve kalyanam shreyaha cha labhantam. May all get kalyanam means welfare and shreyaha good things in life. So here shreyaha is also dvitiya ekavachana, not prathama. Kalyanam you can understand. Kalyanam, kalyane, kalyanani. Shreyas shabda is sakaranta napumsaka like manas. Shreyaha, Shreyasi, Shreyamsi, Manaha, Manasi, Manamsi, like that. So, Sarve Manavaha understood Kalyanam, Shreyaha cha Labantam. Let all people get this welfare and good things in life. So, Labantam is lot, Lavatam, Labhetam, Labantam. Bhavatsu, Daiva Gunaha Vardhantam. And Rishis also give us Upadesha that may the divine qualities grow in you, bhavatsu, in you all. Bhavatsu means Yushmasu, Daiva Gunaha Vardhantam. May divine qualities, spiritual qualities grow in you people. Unless this spiritual quality, bhavana, feeling, understanding comes to the people, they will be totally materialistic and they will be, as a result, what is happening in the world we know. Because people are not spiritual by, say, bad luck, and people are becoming greedy, and everybody wants to make money everywhere. So, Daiva Gunaha Vardhantam. Sadbhavana, good understandings. Samedhantam, let good understanding, good feelings, bhavana, samedhantam, grow well. Let good feelings and understandings grow well. Samedhantam, samedhatam, samedhetam, samedhantam. Edha to grow. Durbhavana, opposite of sadbhavana, durbhavana, misunderstandings, bad opinions, bad feelings. Kshiyantam, let bad feelings, ill feelings, misunderstandings come down, perish. Kshiyantam means become less. Literally, Kshiyantam means may perish. Let bad notions perish. So everywhere, Srinivas, when we translate into English, when we understand in the English language, through the English language, this let or may comes in imperative mode. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. When we say sarve janaha sukhinaha bhavantu, may all people be happy. You are wishing that all, or you can say let all the people of the world, not only Bharat deshasya janaha sukhinaha bhavantu iti na tatra, sarve manavaha yasya kasyapi deshasya vasinaha sarve manavaha sukhinaha bhavantu iti prarthana. That is the same idea. Ishvaraha eka hai. You have to read?
Yeah. ईश्वरः एकः एव अतः तस्य भिन्नं भिन्नं नाम स्वीकृत्य परस्परं कलहं विवादं वा मा कुरुध्वम् धर्मः अर्थः कामः मोक्षश्च इति चत्वारः पुरुषार्थाः मानवजीवनस्य लक्ष्याः सन्ति अतः सर्वे चतुर्षु
पुरुषार्थेषु
यतन्तां कुटुम्बं समाजं राष्ट्रं विश्वं च निस्वार्थ भावनया सेवन्ताम्.
Okay. Ishvaraha ekaha eva. Well, this has some message from the Upanishad. Therefore, Ishvaraha ekaha eva. Ekam sat vipra bahudha vadanti. That is the Vedic saying. Ekam sat vipra bahudha vadanti. Truth is one. God is one. The learned call in many ways. We have known that through Gita and Upanishadic saying. So Ishvara, when the fact is that God is one, why quarrels? See how foolish men are all over the world. People are quarreling unnecessarily in the name of God. If God is one, why should there be quarrel? So that is the idea here. Ishvaraha ekaha eva. God is only one. Ataeva, ataha means therefore, tasya bhinnam bhinnam nama svikrutya. When God is only one, people taking his different name, bhinnam bhinnam nama namadheyam svikrutya, taking his different name, parasparam kalaham vivadam cha, vivadam va ma kurudvam. You don't quarrel taking the different names of God. Vivadam, don't argue and don't get into kalaha. Don't quarrel and don't get into argument. Ma kurudvam means you don't do. Don't indulge in quarrel or in argumentation, taking the different names of God. God is one. So kurudvam is imperative mood, Srinivas. Kurudvam. Yum is understood here, subject. Yum ma kurudvam. You don't make a quarrel, and this vivada means argumentation. Dharmaha, arthaha, kamaha, mokshaha cha iti chatvaraha purushartha. We know purusha artha, purushanam arthaha. The goals of mankind, there are identified by our rishis that all the human beings have 4 goals of life. That is dharma. First you have to do your dharma. Then artha automatically follows. When you do dharma, artha comes. You have a right to enjoy the money. So the artha kama comes there. Then you have a desire, fulfill it. But do it very, legally, morally earned money, not through adharmic methods. So dharma, artha, kama. When a man undergoes these, enjoys these 3 stages, then he is elevated. He comes automatically to the 4th stage of his life. That is moksha. He will be hankering, desiring for getting liberation from this cycle of birth and death. So these 4 ideals of mankind, you can say. Dharmartha, Kama, Mokshaha, Chattvaraha, Purusharthaha. Manava Jivanasya Lakshyah Santi. These are the goals. Lakshyah means goals of human life. So, otherwise, what is the difference between man and an animal? Animal eats, we eat. Animal mates, we mate. Animal is hungry, we are hungry. Animal gets angry, we get angry. What do you say? All these things are same, except. So, but people, rationalists may argue that man can create so many wonders. Can the animals create? But having created so many wonders and so many inventions, is man happy? Is the next question. So, like that, so that should not be the case. We have identified it. Next, you have to read. You have read it. Okay. Over, na? Manava Jivanasya Lakshyah Santi. Ataha, you have to read from there. Okay. Ataha Sarve Chaturshu Purusharteshu Yatantam. Ataha, therefore, Sarve. Sarve means here all. No. Sarve Manavaha. Not English survey, for information. Sarve Manavaha. Ataha, therefore, Sarve Manavaha Chaturshu Purushartheshu, towards these four goals of life, Yatantam. Let all try, endeavor for these, towards attaining these four goals of human life. Chaturshu Purushartheshu Yatantam. Yatatam, Yatetam, Yata means let them try, endeavor. Kutumbam, Samajam, Rastram, Vishwam cha Niswartha Bhavanaya Sevantam. Let people serve these things without any, Niswartha means without any swartha, selfish motive. Like let people serve the first, where does the service starts? Kutumba level. Your family, Samaja, society, Rastram, your country, and then the world. Vishwam is world. So you serve with without any selfish motive feeling in you. Cha Niswartha Bhavanaya. This is Trutiya Sinvana. Niswartha Bhavanaya. Like Bhavana is Strilinga Shabda. Sevantam. Janaha. Understood. What is subject here? Janaha. Kutumbam. Rastram, Kutumbam, Samajam, Rastram, Vishwam cha Niswartha Bhavanaya Sevantam. Last two lines.
ऋषयः लोककल्याणाय ईश्वरं प्रार्थयन्ते भो दयानिधे सर्वे प्राणिनः आनन्दं लभन्ताम् मानवानां सर्वविधानि दुःखानि क्षीयन्ताम् सर्वेषां हृदि Divyam Jnanam Prakashatam.
So for this purpose, Rushaya, the sages, Loka Kalyanaya, for the good and welfare of the society, Loka, Ishwaram Prarthayanti, they pray to the God. Who? Rushaya Prarthayanti. Prarthayanti is Atmanepada. You can see that very clearly. How do they Kimiti Prarthayante Rushaya? Bho Dayanidhe, O kind-hearted God, Sarve Praninaha, all the living beings, Anandam Labhantam, let all the living beings get happiness. Now in this statement, Sarve Praninaha includes even animals also, Srinivas. So that is the noble thought. Not only human beings should be happy, even all the prani, Jivakoti. Sarve praninaha, na kevalam sarve manavaha, parantu sarve praninaha, anandam labhantam. Let all the living beings get happiness. Because happiness is a thing which is desired by even an insect. From insect to elephant, every living being wants happiness. We are also included there, human beings. And what is the swabhava, nature of the soul? We know from the Upanishad that Ananda, Satchidananda Rupa. That is the nature of the human beings, real soul. So all the living beings, irrespective of their stature, want Ananda. That is why Sarve Praninaha Anandam Labhantam. Manavanam Sarva Vidhani Dukkani Kshiyantam. Now here it is narrowed down to Manava. Praninam, you can put it, Praninam sarvavidhani dukkhani kshiyantam. Let all types of miseries of the living beings go down, perish, kshiyantam. Why only manava? You can include Praninam. Sarvesham Praninam sarvavidhani dukkhani. See, when it is not good that only human beings be happy, idea is the same there, but manava. Manavanam sarvavidhani dukkhani kshiyantam. Sarvesham hridi, sarvesham praninam hridi, manavanam hridi. In the heart of all, divyam gnanam prakashatam. Let the divine knowledge shine in the heart of all the living beings. But for the animals it is not possible, therefore we restrict it to manavas. Sarvesham manavanam hridi divyam gnanam prakashatam. Because unfortunately the animals are barred from knowledge, isn't it? Only human beings are entered. Even among the human beings, not all those born as human beings are acting as human beings. There are so many beasts, like Bhartrihari says, Manushya rupena mrugascharanti. What a wonderful statement. Manushya rupena mrugaha charanti. Animals moving in the form of human beings for them. So, once again we go back to the highlighted verbs here, Srinivas. Manyantam. This is third person plural. Manyatam, manyatam, manyantam. Vardhantam, vardhatam, vardhetam, vardhantam. Oh, sorry. Jayatam is ekavachana, third person, jayatam. Labhantam, labhatam, labhetam, labhantam. Vardhantam, similar. Samedhantam, similar. Kshiyantam, I think these are all third person plurals which are used here. Kurudhvam is second person plural. Kurushva, kurvatam, kurudam. Sevantam, I think all are third person Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. But for the last, Prakashatam is third person singular. So here we have noted how Atmanepada Dhatu in Lot Lakara can be used in these senses. Then Abhyasa is coming, Srinivas. Patadharena, on the basis of this little lesson, Riktasthanani, for now we fill in the blanks. Divyam Gnanam, we just read it. Prakashatam, last one in the statement. Sarvesham hridi divyam gnanam prakashatam. Let the divine knowledge shine in all the. That, in other words, that is the literal translation I have made. Let the divine knowledge come shine in the heart of all beings. Means let all beings, let all get the enlightenment is the word. What is Divya Gnana? Enlightenment. So that is the, so Divyam Gnanam Prakashatam. Second,
Sarvavidhani dukkhani
Kshiyantam. Sarvavidhani dukkhani kshiyan. We are going from back to get the answer. You see the lesson. Just show them, Srinivas, once here and there. Kshiyantam. Sarvavidhani dukkhani kshiyantam. May let all types of miseries perish. Third, where is it? Still further away. Just above that, last. Sarve praninaha anandam labhantam. Praninaha anandam labhantam. Okay. Bhavatsu daiva gunaha vardhantam. A little above from bottom. Daiva gunaha vardhantam. And the last one, Chaturshu Purushartheshu Yatantam. This is also, you come down again. Last but one. You can show them with cursor. Atayeva sarve chaturshu purusharteshu yatantam. So let all try for towards the four goals of human life, like that. So I think you know the meaning now. Second part of the exercise 157 is Adholikitanam Dhatunam Lot Lakare Prathama Purushe Rupani Likata. Now you write third person forms of these Vivachana Bahuvachana. Ekavachanas are given here.
Sevatam, Sevetam, Sevantam.
Yes, Sevatam, Sevetam, Sevantam. Jayatam,
Jayatam.
Jayantam. Jayatam, Jayetam, Jayantam. Vardhatam,
Vardhetam. Vardhantam.
Vardhatam, Vardhetam, Vardhantam. Prakashatam, Prakashetam, Prakashantam. Kshiyatam, Kshiyetam, Kshiyantam. Is it simple? So rapidly I will do. Sevatam, Sevetam, Sevantam. Jayatam, Jayetam, Jayantam. Vardhatam, Vardhetam, Vardhantam. Prakashatam, Prakashetam, Prakashantam. Kshiyatam, Kshiyetam, Kshiyantam. This you can do on the basis of the verb given on page, which we did in the previous class, on page 377. Go to immediate next class, please. Then third one.
Save.
Adholikitanam dhatunam lot lakare madhyama purushe. Now you are to practice here second person. What these 5 sentences are about third person, now we have to do second person. So
Sevetham.
sevadhvam. So
Labhasva. Labhet.
sorry. Labhasva labhetam labadhvam. Vardhasva vardhetam vardhadhvam. Jayasva jayetham jayadhvam.
Vandasva.
Vandetham vandadhvam. I think one, if I write, they will follow one. I will just write one. What is the number of the exercise?
157.
Point.
2. Roman number. Three. This is 3. Sevasva.
Okay, 3 you have to write.
Yeah. Sevetham.
Only one we are writing anyway. Sevasva.
Sevetham. Sevadhvam.
So you can follow now. Let them follow all in the same way. Sevasva, sevetham, sevadhvam, likewise. Labhasva, labhetam, labadhvam, vardhasva, vardhetam, vardhadhvam, jayasva, jayetham, jayadhvam, vandasva, vandetham, vandadhvam. So please copy them. The meanings must be known to you. Seva to serve, labha to get, vardha to grow, jaya to be born, vandha to salute. We move on to the next lesson. Chaturthaha stavakaha, trutiyaha pataha. Now we are going over to next tense, future tense, simple future tense we are taking up now. Lut lakare prayogaha. Lat, lot are over. Lung will come, past tense will come. I think past tense did not come, na? No, it didn't. So we are going slowly to that. When we started off, I think it did not. Yes. Present imperative to future tense. So, etani vakyani, now watch these sentences. Srinivas, you can read 3.
He Rajan, putreshtim karaya, tava bharyaha putran prasavishyante.
Yes.
He Kunti, chinta makuru, tava putraha rajyam
Lapsyante.
He Site, dhairyam dharaya, janaha tvam vandishyante.
Now you can see there are 3 verbs. Kriya padas are given here. In the bhavishyat kala, lut lakare prayogaha. Lut, lot, lut. So, hey Rajan, O king, putreshtim karaya. You perform putreshti yagna. The Rishi is advising the king, Janaka may be in the picture. So, to advising him to putreshtim karaya, you perform. Tava bharyaha, your wives, putran prasavishyante, will beget children. After you perform, if you perform the putra kameshti, then your wives will beget, will deliver Prasavishyanti means literally deliver, will beget, will give birth to sons. So here prasavishyante is a verb in the future tense. A verb which has not been so far introduced in the book. So far it is not. Prasu is the dhatu. Prasu or prasu. Prasuyante. A bit different. Okay, we'll see that later. Second sentence. Hey Kunti. Krishna is advising Kunti. Chintam makuru. Don't worry. Oh Kunti, don't worry. Tava putraha. Your sons rajyam lapsyante. Your sons will get the kingdom. So Krishna is making an assurance, giving an assurance to Kunti that don't worry, your sons will get the kingdom back after the Mahabharata war. Tava putraha rajyam lapsyante. This is the future tense of labhante. Labhate, labhete, labhante. In the future, lapsyate, lapsyete, lapsyante. Lapsyante. That is the future. Third sentence. Hey Sita, Rishi is advising Sita here. Dhairyam dharaya. Have courage. Have courage. Janaha tvam vandishyante. People will, Valmiki is advising her to be bold. People will salute you, respect you here. People will respect. Janaha tvam vandishyante. No. Vandishyante is the future tense of the present tense verb vandante. Vandate, vandete, vandante. Vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante. People will honor you, will salute. So, prasavishyante, lapsyante, vandishyante. These are the three future verbs introduced here. Next page. How much are we left?
No, 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
2 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay, no. Then Vanda dhatoho rupani prayogancha patata. Now you see Vanda. I think Vanda was only given in the, yes, they are continuing very nice. Same verb which I asked you to make a model in the imperative Vandatam etc. is given in the future also. Vandishyate, vandishyete,
vandishyante, vandishyase, vandishyethe, vandishyadve, vandishye, vandishyavahe, vandishyamahe.
So you can very clearly see sometimes Ishya is the sound coming in the future. Like we have that in the word also bhavishya, kala, bhavishya, ishya. So here vandishya. Even in the dhatu of bhu dhatu, bhavishyati, bhavati is there in present tense, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, bhavishyanti, bhavishyati. So that is a clue to you that the verb is in future tense. So vandishyase. Now if you see one more thing, Srinivas, when you look at a verb of future tense, compare it with the present tense verb. The endings will be same. For example, you take this Vanda dhatu, Vandate, and watch the endings in the future. Vandate, Vandete, Vandante. Vandishyate, Vandishyete, Vandishyante. Same. Te, ite, ante are same. In the future as well as in the present tense. Now what is the present tense in second person? Se, ite, dve. Se, ite, dve. Vandase, Vandete, Vandadve. Here, Vandishyase, Vandishyete, Vandishyadve. Same. What is a little change you may find in the Uttama Purusha. Vande there, Vande Mataram. Here Vandishye, Vandishyavahe, Vandishyamahe. So like that. Now some sentences you may read 9.
Rajivah devam vandishyate, Deepah nareshascha devam vandishyate, Sarve devam vandishyante, Tvam devam vandishyate, Yuvam devam vandishyate, Yuyam devam vandishyadve, Aham devam vandishye, Avam devam vandishyavahe, Vayam devam vandishyamahe.
So you can see Vanda dhatu is being used here extensively in all the three persons. I suppose, yes. Rajivaha devam vandishyati. One person by name Rajiv, not Rajiv Gandhi, Rajivaha Devam Vandishyate. Rajiv will pray to salute God. Not pray, salute God. Respect God. Pradeepaha Nareshascha Devam Vandishyate. Pradeep and Naresh also will salute God. Sarve Devam Vandishyante. All will salute God. Okay? Then second person. Tvam Devam Vandishyase. You will salute God. Yuvam Devam Vandishyate. You both will salute God. Yuyam Devam Vandishyate. Vandishyadve. Sorry. You all will salute God. Yuyam Devam Vandishyadve. Aham Devam Vandishye. I will salute God. Avam Devam Vandishyavahe. We both will salute God. Vayam Devam Vandishyamahe. We all will salute God. So you can see the derivation, same derivation is put here in a sentence form. Instead of Devam, you can put anything. Rajivaha Desham Bharata Desham Vandishyate. Pradeepaha Nareshascha Bharatam, if you take only Vandishyate. Sarve Desham Vandishyante. Tvam Desham Vandishyase. Aham Desham Vandishye, etc. You can take. Etani Vakyani Parishya. Now you observe this. Then read Srinivas.
Sasyam Shighram Vardhishyate. Balaha Kramashah Edhishyate. Aham Parashvaha Udghatana Samarohe Bhashishye. Janaha Bhrusham Modishyante. Tvam Asya Parinamam Ikshishyase.
Okay, five will take. Sasyam Shighram. Yes. Sasyam Shighram Vardhishyate means Sasyam, crop, a crop, Shighram, away, fast, Vardhishyate will grow. The crop will grow fast. Sasyam Shighram Vardhishyate. Cancer Rogaha Shighram Vardhishyate. I would say that way. Cancer Rogaha Shighram Sharire Vardhishyate. Will grow fast in the body. So something like that. Second, Balaha Kramashaha Edhishyate. Boy will grow gradually. Kramashaha. Boys will grow gradually. Even if you make plural, it makes sense. Balakaha Kramashaha Vardhishyante. So boy will grow gradually. Third, Aham Parashvaha Udghatana Samarohe Bhashishye. I will speak Parashvaha, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow I shall speak, or I will speak in the opening, what do you say? Ceremony. Udghatana Samarohe. In the opening ceremony, day after tomorrow I shall speak. Fourth, Janaha Bhrusham Modishyante. Janaha, Bhrusham is an avya, Adhikam Modishyante. People will enjoy a lot. Fifth, Tvam Asya Parinamam Ikshishya. Ikshishyase. You will see the result of this. You will watch the result of this. Tvam Asya Parinamam Ikshishyase. You will see the end of this, or the result of this parinama.
Vrukshasya shakhaha kampishyante. Sita lajjishyate. Bhubuksha janishyate. Adhi vaktaraha aparadhinam shankishyante. Bharatasya kirtihi rajishyate.
Okay, sixth, Vrukshasya Shakhaha Kampishyante means the branches of the trees will shake. Vrukshasya Shakhaha Kampishyante. Branches of the trees will shake. 7. Sita Lajjishyate. Sita will feel shy. Sita will feel shy. 8. Bubhuksha Janishyate. Hunger will be born. hunger will be born. Bubhuksha janishyati. 9. Adhivaktarah, lawyers, advocates. Aparadhinam shankishyanti. Lawyers shall doubt the culprits. Culprit, the accused. Lawyers or advocates shall doubt the culprit. And finally, Bharatasya kirtihi rajishyati. India's fame will shine. India's fame will shine. Rajishyate will shine. Kirtihi rajishyati. एवं रुटि प्रयोगाः समाप्ताः। शुभं भूयात्।